Hello everyone, welcome back to this week's Wolf College of Coffee vlog. My name's Adam and today we're talking single origins and blends. Now, when we talk about single origins and blends, a lot of people have a lot of questions, and we are here today to answer those. So, why does your local cafe charge an extra 50 cents when it comes to a single origin? If you want a single origin flat white versus a regular flat white, why does it cost more? Beyond those questions, people want to know, well, which is better, single origins or blends? The answer comes down to scarcity. One of the biggest things when it comes to single origins is the scarcity of that product. Now, when we talk single origin, the biggest thing to remember is that the term single origin is a very short term for a very wide range of products. Single origins can be from a single farm, they can be a single farmer, they can be a co-op of farmers all working together. Now, when it comes to a single origin, it can also be, as a result of that, a number of different varietals of coffee in the one origin. So this here is our El Salvador. It's a Pacamara wash, so it's both a single origin, single farm, as well as a single varietal. Now, the difference between this and, say, a blend is that the flavors are intrinsically already here. The coffee tastes like what it tastes like, and it's up to us as roasters to then develop those flavors and really bring them out in the coffee for you, the consumer. When it comes to a blend, the difference there being that we create those flavors by putting them together, having used different single origins. So this here, being our Edelweiss, has a number of origins that go into it, and we aim for a certain flavor in the coffee. So what's the benefit of that over the single? Well, as a result of having a number of different origins in this coffee here, we are able to chase a certain flavor every single year. Now, if some of those origins don't happen to be available the next year, thanks to scarcity, we are able to change what goes into that blend, but still have the same result. And that comes from knowing how to roast and what we're doing in terms of the roast to develop that flavor. Now, outside of these two, we also have seasonal coffees. We here at the Roast House produce seasonals based on the season that we're in. So here we have the autumn time blend that we've just brought out, and we create autumn time, springtime, wintertime, and summertime. And these are seasonal coffees where we are aiming for and chasing a certain flavor that plays to that season. The alternative means for a seasonal coffee can be a single origin or a blend of coffees that are only available during a certain season. So which one do you go for? As a purchaser and a drinker of coffee, do you prefer single origins or blends? Really, it's up to you. If you like dark, chocolatey coffees, maybe you like a Brazilian coffee. If you like lighter, fruitier coffees, maybe you like an Ethiopian coffee. Or maybe if you want to try something completely different, you try a blend that the roaster has put together for you and try to achieve something really different in the way of flavor. It's always up to you as a consumer as to which one you go for. Now, me personally, I like a good Ethiopian, I love a great El Salvador, and at the same time, I like a good Brazil coffee as well. When we put those together as a blend, what we aim for is a certain flavor at the end result. The key is knowing what's going to happen though, because you can't take a fruity Kenyan coffee and a chocolatey Brazilian coffee, put them together, and assume that you're going to get a chocolatey, fruity coffee. At the end of the day, it's up to a master roaster to really know their stuff and how to work with the coffees and the different viscosities of those coffees in order to achieve a flavor result. For you, the consumer, yes, sometimes single origins cost more, and yes, sometimes your cafe is going to ask you for an extra 50 cents to try those coffees. But really think about that extra 50 cents going back to that farmer, to that community, where that's really going to help them at the end of the day with the coffee production for the very next year. That's why we love single origins, getting to know our farmers, getting to know where our coffee's coming from. And when it comes to those coffees, we're equally proud putting them both into our blends as well as our seasonal coffees. So which do you like? The answer's up to you. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you next time.